Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your DREAME Aqua10 roller. To do it, make sure that your robot is on and take it out of the charging station if it's there. So let's remove it. Then let's remove the top cover. Like that. It's just attached with magnets, so it's pretty easy to do that. And then you'll see on the top of the robot there is this most likely blinking diode here next to a Wi-Fi sign, and this diode also functions as a button. You'll need to press and hold on it until you hear a voice prompt. So this button, to be able to press and hold on it, you'll need to use something like a needle, a pin, or I'll try to use a pen. Let's press and hold.
Restoring to factory settings.
Now it said restoring to factory settings, so I can now wait, put the cover on because we don't need to keep it open anymore. And let's wait a little moment. It's gonna reset the robot. After that, it'll tell you that it's ready to pair. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.